Why the youth of India should know their roots? India, one of the world's oldest civilizations, has always drawn its strength from the depth of its culture, philosophy, and spirituality. In the modern age of globalization, rapid technological growth, and changing lifestyles, the youth of India often find themselves in a dilemma, caught between material aspirations and a search for meaning. At such a time, knowing their roots becomes not just desirable but essential. The Bhagavad Gita, a timeless dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjuna, provides guidance that is not bound by age, religion, or geography. For the youth of India, it serves as both a mirror to their heritage and a manual for life. Every nation draws its identity from its roots, its traditions, values, and collective memory. For India, these roots are found in its Vedic wisdom, epics like the Mahabharata and Ramayana, and the timeless philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita. The youth, who represent the energy and dynamism of the nation, often grow up amidst a flood of global influences. While exposure to the world is valuable, losing touch with one's identity creates confusion and cultural emptiness. The Gita reminds us that dharma, or righteous duty, defines who we are. For Indian youth, knowing this connection builds pride in their civilization and clarity in their role as future leaders. The modern era promotes competition, success, and appearances. Young minds often fall into the trap of comparing themselves with others, leading to stress, anxiety, and loss of confidence. The Gita, however, teaches equanimity. Krishna tells Arjuna, "You have a right to action, but not to the fruits thereof." This liberating ideal encourages young people to focus on effort rather than obsess over results. By knowing their roots in this philosophy, the youth learn resilience, inner strength, and mental balance, qualities essential in the competitive world of today. A rootless tree cannot stand for long, no matter how tall it grows. Similarly, a generation disconnected from its cultural and spiritual roots struggles to find purpose. India's heritage is not about blind tradition but about asking the deepest questions of existence. Who am I? What is my duty? What is the goal of life? The Bhagavad Gita answers these questions with clarity. Life's purpose is not just material success but self-realization and service through dharma. When the youth align with this vision, they not only succeed professionally but also live with a deeper sense of fulfillment. India's youth aspire to lead in politics, science, entrepreneurship, and social reform. But leadership without values is fragile. Krishna's guidance to Arjuna is essentially a lesson in leadership. He urges Arjuna to rise above personal emotions and act for the welfare of society. This sense of responsibility, sacrifice, and clarity of decision-making is crucial for modern leaders. By knowing their roots in the Gita's wisdom, the youth gain a compass to guide their leadership with compassion, integrity, and courage. Globalization has made the world interconnected, but it has also blurred cultural boundaries. Many young Indians often imitate Western lifestyles without understanding their own traditions. While there is nothing wrong in learning from the world, it becomes problematic when imitation leads to loss of identity. The Bhagavad Gita equips the youth to engage with the world without being enslaved by it. Krishna teaches detachment, not withdrawal from life but the ability to live amidst diversity without losing one's center. This balance allows Indian youth to be global citizens while staying deeply rooted in their own culture. One of the greatest challenges for today's youth is moral confusion. Social media, peer pressure, and consumerism often blur the lines between right and wrong. The Gita acts as a moral compass. Krishna does not impose rigid rules but teaches discernment, knowing what is dharmic, righteous, and what is not. For instance, he tells Arjuna that it is better to follow one's own duty imperfectly than to perfectly imitate another's duty. Such guidance helps the youth to make ethical choices, stay true to themselves, and contribute positively to society. In recent years, India has seen rising cases of depression, anxiety, and loneliness among young people. Despite material comforts, many feel empty within. This is because they are disconnected from their spiritual roots. The Gita provides practical tools for mental health, meditation, detachment, self-control, and surrender to the higher self. These are not abstract ideas but proven methods to attain peace of mind. A youth grounded in this wisdom can face challenges without being broken by them, thereby creating a healthier society. India's strength lies not merely in its economic growth but in its civilizational continuity. The Gita, translated into more than 75 languages, has inspired thinkers worldwide, from Mahatma Gandhi to Albert Einstein. When the youth study this treasure, they realize that their heritage is not backward but universally relevant. This instills national pride, which in turn fuels patriotism and responsibility toward nation building. A generation that knows its roots will not blindly imitate but will innovate while staying grounded in timeless values. The Gita emphasizes Nishkama Karma, selfless action for the good of others. Today's youth often feel lost in selfish pursuits, but the Gita calls them to a higher vision, service to society. Whether it is through social work, environmental protection, or technological innovation, young Indians can channel their energy in the spirit of selflessness. By reconnecting with their roots, they realize that personal growth and social good are not separate but deeply connected. In the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjuna's confusion mirrors the confusion of today's youth. Should one chase ambition or listen to conscience? Should one adopt global trends or preserve tradition? Krishna's call was simple yet profound: rise, perform your duty, and surrender the ego. This call is eternal. For the modern youth of India, knowing their roots in the Gita means finding courage in confusion, clarity in doubt, and strength in weakness. The youth of India stand at a critical crossroads. On one hand lies the temptation of rootless modernity, and on the other lies the opportunity to draw strength from their heritage. The Bhagavad Gita is not merely a religious scripture but a living philosophy, a guide for action, purpose, and inner harmony. By knowing their roots, the youth gain not only cultural pride but also personal strength, ethical clarity, and spiritual balance. They become not just successful individuals but conscious citizens who can lead India into a brighter future. To know one's roots is to know oneself. And for the Indian youth, to know oneself is to embrace the timeless wisdom of the Gita, a wisdom that transforms confusion into clarity, weakness into strength, and life into a journey of meaning. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you found our video informative. Thank you.